Hello everyone, welcome to the 126th episode of me learning how to trade in Forex. So in the last episode we went through the US regulatory agencies when you're trying to trade Forex. So there's two main ones, the Commodities Futures Trading Commission, the Commodities Futures Trade Commission, or the CFTC for short. Basically, they're responsible for publishing the commitment of traders reports every Friday. What else? Mission of the CFTC is to protect market user and the public from fraud, manipulation and abusive practices related to the sale of commodities and financial futures and options. In the unregulated Forex market, this regulatory agency will help you determine if a Forex company is reliable or trustworthy. We've got the CFTC's website, and then the other main regulatory agency is the National Futures Association, or the NFA for short. The NFA is an industry-wide self-propelling organization which regulates the futures market in the US. Self-propelling means that the NFA collects dues in order to sustain itself without having to rely on taxpayers' dollars. So NFA's activities are overseen by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, and the NFA's mission is to ensure futures industry's integrity, protect market participants, and enforce NFA members to meet their regulatory responsibilities. So virtually every firm or individual who conducts futures or options on future business with the public must be registered with the CFTC and be a member of the NFA. And the NFA performs the registration process on behalf of the CFTC. And then, so there's different NFA members categories, so commodity trading advisors, commodity pool operators, futures commission merchants, and the introducing brokers. NFA provides investors and individuals with security and protection from fraud and scams. How can I learn more about the Forex broker with whom I'm trading? So in the US, only regulated entities such as banks, insurance companies, broker-dealers or futures commission merchants and affiliates of regulated entities may enter into off-exchange Forex trades with retail customers. And we can verify the CFTC registration and NFA membership status by calling the NFA. If you live outside the US, make sure you ask the Forex broker how it's regulated and check with his regulator about the specific broker's registration status and background. What would you do if you have a problem with the Forex account? Well then, both the CFTC and NFA offers programs that may be available for resolving monetary disputes involving a Forex account, but your first step should be to contact the firm you have a disagreement with and try to reach a settlement there. And then we got different scenarios. So how to file a claim if you believe you lost money due to unfair or improper treatment by an NFA member. How to file a claim if you have a dispute that can't be resolved with a CFTC registered firm. And how to file a complaint or report suspicious business practices. So yeah, that's that. And now we're on to foreign regulatory agencies. So regulatory agencies. '04, '05. UK, the FCA and the PRA. If you live in the UK, the Financial Conduct Authority and the Prudential Regulation Authority are for you. For the UK, the Financial Conduct Authority and Prudential Regulation Authority are available. On April the 1st, 2013, both of these agencies replaced the Financial Services Authority as the financial industry's regulatory bodies. Financial Services Authority as the financial industry's regulatory bodies. The Financial Conduct Authority is a non-governmental agency funded by the firms they regulate, and they are accountable to a board appointed by the Treasury. Their goal is to protect consumers, ensure industry stability, and promote healthy competition in the financial services industry through the regulation of financial advisors, asset managers, or any firm not covered by the PRA. FCA's website is there, fca.org. The Prudential Regulation Authority is a part of the Bank of England, and its main the Prudential Regulation Authority is part of the Bank of England. Is a part of the Bank of England, and its main role is to promote a healthy UK financial system through the regulation and supervision of banks, credit unions, major investment firms, and insurers. PRA website, Bank of England, PRA. Denmark. Finanstilsynet. Yeah, I don't even think that's how you pronounce it. For Denmark. For UK, for Denmark. The FINANST there we go. The Danish FSA was formed in January 1988 and was charged with supervising financial activities in Denmark. Members of the FSA are monitored in an attempt to protect investors and prevent market abuse. That website is there, dfsa.dk. Switzerland. Swiss Federal Department of Finance. Swiss Federal Department of Finance. For UK, for Denmark, the Federal Department of Finance, or FDF, was formed in 1848. While the FDF is the overseer of financials in Switzerland, it is the Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority, or FINMA, that regulates the banks, securities dealers, and stock exchanges. FINA acts like the big brother in Switzerland and does pretty much the same as their other regulatory agencies, FDF's website and FINMA's websites. The Federal Department of Finance, or FDF, it is a Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority. So what's the Swiss Federal Department of Finance? That's the FDF. So it's actually the FINMA, Swiss Federal Department, and Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority. Switzerland. Association Romande des Intermediary Finances. This organisation is similar to FIMA in that they are both from Switzerland, but this body is based in the French-speaking part of Switzerland. ARIF was formed in 1999. It too acts as a regulatory agency with the members abiding by certain rules and laws. Swiss Association Roman des okay. Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission. The Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission was formed in May 1989 due to the ineffective efforts of two regulating bodies. With a combined single organisation, the FSC took charge. It monitors all futures and securities related activities in Hong Kong. Hong Kong Securities and... why is that wrong? Securities and Futures Commission. Australia. Australian Securities and Investments Commission. Australian Securities and Investments. Australian Securities and Investments Commission. Australian Securities and Investments Commission acts as a corporate regulator in Australia. ASIC regulates companies, financial markets, and financial service organisations, as well as insurance and credits. The organisation aims to maintain fairness in the market environment. ASIC's website is there. Okay. So, how to protect yourself from Forex scams? Protect yourself from Forex scams. So what have we learnt? Scams are real. Yes, really bad people are out there trying to make a dishonest living. However, unlucky for them, you are smart. You know that the only way to succeed in currency trading is to learn from square one and gain trading experience. Now say this 3 times out loud. I will not fall for no risk robots. I will not succumb to guaranteed returns. Lastly, I will not be lazy and let someone else trade for me. Trade me Lucky Charms, cough. I mean my money for me. Now that we have that over with, let's close out with some questions that our reviewers have asked us countless times. Our viewers have asked us countless times. How can I protect myself from frauds? Easy, be educated, be smart, know what a scam looks like. Anything that seems too good to be true usually really isn't true. To protect yourself from scams, from Forex scams, be educated and smart. Know what a scam looks like, and anything which seems too good to be true probably isn't true. How do I choose a Forex broker? First and foremost, make sure the broker is regulated by a national agency. Do your own research, and do more research. When choosing a Forex broker, ensure the broker is regulated by a national agency. Do research regarding the broker. Oh no, research the broker. Can Forex manager accounts be trusted? If your Forex manager is yourself, yes. If not, I would exercise extreme caution. But if you're persistent and want to find out the hard way, do a background check and make sure the person has proper licenses and certifications. You should find out if the person's Forex activities are regulated and by whom. If the person is not regulated, you may be exposed to additional risks. Basically, only trust yourself with your Forex account. There we go. Are Forex robots profitable? If possible, it's possible, but because they're usually built but for a specific set of conditions, their profitability and how long it may be profitable depends on the market. Like human traders, they can go on long profitable runs, have a long string of losing trades in a row, or seesaw somewhere in between. If you take anything away from the school about them, just don't think they are a set and forget solution to trading. They must be monitored closely as well. Yeah, okay. Who do I contact if I suspect frauds? There are specific organizations depending on your location. United States, the CTFC, the NFA. United Kingdom, FCA, and Action Fraud, the UK's National Fraud and Internet Crime Reporting Centre. Australia, ASIC, and Scamwatch. Cyprus, CYSEC, Singapore, MAS. You can find a comprehensive list of regulatory organizations for different countries here. Where can I capture me a leprechaun? Look for a unicorn. Where you find a unicorn, you find a leprechaun. So remember, Forex scams do exist. Be wary of them and hold on to your hard-earned money. The good news is that there are legitimate Forex companies out there. Make sure you do thorough research on a company if you're thinking about giving them a shot. Ask other Forex traders on the forums if they had experiences with them. There is a wealth of information on the internet, so do your homework. Use your head and you'll be just fine. Okay, we've got some quizzes now, it seems. So, which trading style is best for you? During junior year in the School of Pipsology, we learned that each Forex trader is unique and that various trading styles fit different types of personalities. If your personality doesn't match your style of trading, you could wind up hurting your account and your ego. This quiz can help you find out whether you're better off as a scalper, a day trader, a swing trader, or a position trader. Disclaimer, take the results with a grain of salt. The result you get are just recommendations based on your answers and are meant to get you into the right path. As you get better, keep an open mind to all new experiences and realities to help you evolve and grow your trading abilities. Which trading style is best for you? Should you be a scalper, day trader, swing trader, or position trader? Let's go. How many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Roll Pop? No idea, I'm getting patient, bite down after the past lick. If I just treat it as normal sweet, then I guess that. Describe a typical breakfast. That. Which among these statements best describes your fashion style? That, I guess. Which of the following sports appeal the most to you? None of them, to be fair, but That, I guess. When I'm holding onto a trade for almost an entire day, these are the thoughts in my mind. I'm already up by a decent amount, so why should I risk losing these proper trades, these paper profits by keeping this trade open? I'll just lock in the pips right now. Great, price is heading in my trade favor, so I should just keep adding to my winning position. Will this move continue? I should probably lock in half my winnings, keep the rest open, and move my stops in break even just in case. None, I don't keep trades open for nearly a day. Guess that one? What kind of music do you usually listen to when you trade? Jazz, I like upbeat, rock and hip, I don't listen. I hope I won't be listening to anything. I'll just be quiet, you know. But that, I guess. What's your favorite mode of transportation? Travel by boat, plane, car. Let's go car. Which among the following destinations would you prefer to go on for a vacation? New York, Rome, Melbourne, Bangkok. That, I guess. You decide to drop by a grocery store on your way home. Which of the following statements describe what you do there? Despite what I need for the day, sale. What I need for this week, yeah. How fast can you type? Like average. Which among these statements think best describes your reaction when someone else thinks fast at you? I think deflect. How do you usually react when a winning pair is pairing its gains? When a winning pair is paring its gains. Does paring means like decreasing its gains? It's nothing but minor pullback, I think. I hope it doesn't reach my stop, but if it does, I'm done for the day. Oh, I think I see a reversal in the works. Time to change sides. Nothing to worry about. A week hasn't even passed yet. I hope it doesn't reach my stop. How would you describe your daily schedule? Hectic, boring. My current daily schedule is that, I guess. Not exactly yoga stuff, but if you have to play Call of Duty, what classes would you choose? What? I don't mind not getting a lot of kills as long as I get one. Besides, I'm come all day long. Assault. A sniper, I guess. Which of these movies would you rather watch? Die Hard, definitely. All the movies in the film series exciting. Karate Kid, Titanic, Godfather. I haven't watched Godfather, I guess. Karate Kid? You are a swing trader. You are the patient type of trader who doesn't mind holding on to a trade for several days, which is why you can make a great swing trader. Okay, that's interesting. I didn't think myself that I was a swing trader, but okay. Swing traders. Quiz. Which currency should you trade? Each currency pair is unique. As Dr. Pipsology said about finding your trading niche, each set of currency pairs has its own behavioral tendencies that set it apart from others. Oh no, what was the last one? So I went through quiz. Which trading style is best for you? Next is what was the answer? Swing, wasn't it? Swing trader. Quiz outcome. Swing trader. Quiz which currencies should you trade? Each set of currency pairs has its own behavioral tendencies. It is important to match your personality with the behaviors of the pairs you trade. Okay. To match your personality with the behaviors of the pairs of the currency pair you trade. We already talked about the majors, the corn dolls and the crosses in the What is Forex lesson of the School of Pipsology. Now here's your chance to learn more about them and discover which suits your trading personality best. Take the results with a grain of salt. The results you get are just recommendations based on your answers are meant to get you into the right path. As you get better, keep an open mind to all new experiences and realities to help you evolve and grow your trading abilities. So which currencies should you trade? Should you trade the major currencies, the commodity currencies, or COMDOLs, or the currency crosses? Picking which currency pair to trade is just as important as finding your own trading style. You have to find a currency pair that you are most comfortable trading. Right, okay, so on a regular day, how do you usually decide what to wear? Depends on my mood. I wear dark colours when I'm sad and bright colours when I'm in a good mood. Anything goes, I like to mix and match. This usual shirt and jeans, nothing. Anything goes. How do you react to sudden spikes in price action? It's all good. I got wide stop losses anyway. Oh no, I got wide stops anyway. Besides, the overall trend is still intact. I get stopped out again by a nasty spike. Aha! Time to fade that move. Time to fade that move. I think this. When you're watching the news, which part catches your interest the most? I just watch weather sports, just the headlines of breaking news. These are the most important weather news. I gotta love all these political going-ons. So exciting. That one, I think. When you were in high school, you were one of the jocks and cheerleaders. Damn, I miss being popular. Misfits, I believe they call it emo kids these days. Nerds, I could talk about imports, exports, interest rate differentials all day. Imports, exports, interest. I guess that. It's either that or nerds, but I don't think I was that smart to be a nerd, so misfits it is. You're feeling adventurous, so you decide to go on a food trip. What type of cuisine would you go for? It's time to try exotic, sucker for fine dining, different varieties of cheese. Best bottle of wine. Yeah, not the cheese. Pip Diddy is feeling generous and he says that he'll give you any car you want. What kind of ride will you ask for? I don't want to attract too much attention to myself. I'll just ask for something practical common, like a Toyota Corolla. Pip Diddy, pimp my ride. I want a custom-made Forex 4, and don't forget to throw in a bathtub and three 40-inch monitors so I can trade while I soak up the suds. I want something out of the ordinary, but not overly flashy. How about BMW M3? Yeah, let's get that. How often do you take advantage of the carry trade? I double in it from time to time. Carry trade, what's that? Every chance I get, I'm all about making the most out of interest rate differentials. So carry trade, that's when you sell a currency with a low interest rate to buy a currency with a high interest rate. Right? So for example, you sell JPY to get USD. That's a carry trade. Guess that? Well, I never even traded, so I can't really answer this question anyway. What time do you usually trade? Between 9 p.m. GMT and 7 a.m. GMT. I haven't even started trading it, so how can I guess I just trade when I can. How comfortable are you with trading large spreads? Spreads, who cares about them? As long as I get my pips, I don't care how large spreads are. I don't mind larger than normal spreads, just as long as they're not ridiculously large. Not comfortable at all, only trade market razor thin spreads. So spread, the bid-ask spread. I don't really know, to be honest. That one, I guess. Say you had 3 friends hosting parties on the same night. Which one would you go to? Spreads. Oh wait, I was just thinking about something. Spreads. No, not that. No. Spreads. Isn't spread about liquidity? So, the more liquid a currency is, the lower the spread. And the higher the spread, the less liquid the currency is. So, yeah, I think my last answer was fine. Say you had 3 friends hosting parties on the same night, which one would you go to? Easy, I'll ask my other friends which one they go and just tag along. Who says I can go to only one, go to 3? Go to the more popular one. Yeah, go all 3. Which among the following characteristics do your friends often use to describe you? I fly by, going with the flow. Say I'm patient. Yeah. What kind of market do you like best? I like trading consolidations between short-term trends. Directional markets, I guess. Because there's a distinct trend for me to trade then. Which one of the following statements best describes how you are with your entries? I'm not really into technicals, but I love trading the news. I'll wait for the outcome of the news reports. I like drawing trend lines. I would set not just my entries, but some profit targets, psychological handles all the time. I'm not really into technicals, but I love trading the news. I'll wait for the outcome of a news report and decide whether to buy or sell. So technicals are the chart indicators. Not into technicals. No, I think chart indicators are important, so I would use indicators. Drawing trend lines, all of my charts, so I set all my orders on them. I'm a sucker for technical levels. I would set not just my entries but also my profit targets and stops at psychological handles all the time for technical levels. So is that like, what's it called? Something, I forgot the name. Like different levels. R1, R2, resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3. Oh, it's gonna be annoying. What's that name called? Not this. Pivot points. Here we go. What's this called? Retracements. There we go. Reverse. Oh no. Fibonacci levels. There we go. Fibonacci levels. I'm guessing that's what technical levels they're talking about. The Fibonacci retracement levels and stuff. I'm a sucker for technical levels. I think if I was to choose between the fundamentals and technical, I would probably go with the technical, to be honest. Even though I want to do both, having both the fundamental and the technical, but the quiz doesn't allow me to, so let's just go with the trend lines. You should trade the COMDOs. Because the commodities currencies are the three highest yielding assets in the FX hoods, you have to be sensitive to market sentiment and interest rate differentials. COMDOs, so trading commodities. Huh? Because the commodities currencies are the three highest yielding assets in the FX hoods, you have to be sensitive to market sentiment and interest rate differentials. The COMDOs share the highest correlation with commodities. No, that's not. It's not actually commodity itself. The COMDOs. I'm sure I've heard this before. Is that something dollars? Commodity dollars. I think something to do regarding commodity dollars, maybe. Share the highest correlation with commodities, so always be on your toes for what's going on in the commodities market. Would explain. All right, wait. Let me just write this down first. So quiz outcome. Trade the COMDOs. The COMDOs share the highest correlation with commodities, so always be on your toes for what's going on in commodity markets. Would explain how commodities such as oil and gold can be leading indicators for currencies in the intermarket correlation section of our school of Pipsology. Intermarket correlations. Oh, so it is about. Oh, so it's about how commodities relate to the different currency pairs. Relationships between asset classes, typically currencies, bonds, commodities, and stocks. COMDOs are also good players for trading the news. Make sure you're always up to date with economic reports by keeping tabs on the Forex calendar. So, ensure. Oh wait, COMDOs are good plays for trading the news. Are good plays to trade the news. Ensure you're always up to date with economic reports. ensure you're always up to date with economic reports by keeping tabs on the Forex calendar. Okay, I think I'm going to leave this episode here. So, went through 2 quizzes. In the next episode, we're going to carry on with doing the personality quizzes with what is your level of trading experience. I think the answer for this one is going to be obvious. 0, none, nothing. So, hopefully the answer I get from that quiz is 0, none, or nothing. Otherwise, the quizzes are going to be a bit weird. Actually, no. They do say take the result with a grain of salt, so the quiz is just giving me a recommendation, not the precise answer, so, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, so we'll move on to that next video. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.